Hey Damo, what are you doing?
It's funny you should ask, mate. So I've just got the Clarke Weld 160 TM Turbo. So basically, come and have a look, we just got it. We couldn't find much YouTube stuff on it. So basically, they gave us a small spool, which is pretty crap because it's meant to have a big one. But anyway, the small spool, if you put some carb on the end, you can kind of lock it in. And then you feed the wire through this hole. And then if you turn the mains on, plug it in, and press down on the button. You fucking laugh at that.
You're just so in depth.
Well, mate, I'm talking about the welder, aren't I? So then basically you put the wire in, and then you plug it in, because we had to Google all this, you knobhead, that's what we're talking about. And then put it through this little hole in here, press the button, sharp, press the button, and basically this spins, and the wire will eventually come through and out here, and when it's out here, then you can cut the end off, and then you're good to go. And then basically, that's that bit.
Wow, technical.
Damn, it's the Clarke Weld 160, bro. So anyway, don't stop there yet. I'm going for the full weld. You still videoing? Okay. So then basically, the other thing that's a bit of a bummer is I think these come with, like, they're meant to come with like the small canisters that obviously everyone goes on about running out really quick. So we got this weapon, which is the CO2 with 5% argon, is it?
Argon.
Yeah, argon. Obviously we know what we're talking about.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then
this
so
is the first time that
the
we've
little
done this
regulator that comes with it, it's meant to have another valve on, with there's basically a hole here with a bit of plastic in. So you take that bit of plastic out, and then you basically got to get something to put a stop end on that, which we basically had to make. But essentially it's for another one of these, goes on there. So when you turn the gas on, the gas comes pissing out of here. So we realised we had to block that off, and then we just got one gauge. So then you get the other little plastic tube that comes out the machine and push that in here, and it's like almost like a plumbing thing where you push it in, pull it down, and then basically that locks it. And then to get it out, you push it back up and pull the pipe out. So that's locked. So that's good to go. Applied the chain to make sure it doesn't fucking fall apart.
Safety first.
Safety
mate.
first. And then, so on this side, basically she's plugged in. You got to play around with the wire feed and the voltage. There's basically like the wire feed, how fast the wire comes out, alters on what metal you use, blah, blah, blah. But stick it on like number 2, stick it on number 5, so you're in the middle somewhere. And then basically, you're kind of good to go. So then we've just been practicing with little scraps of metal, doing some serious welding. You've obviously got the earthing thing that comes out the machine. Just stick that on, obviously, what you're doing, or something that's connected to that, conducted to that. And then basically, you can see here, we've just been sort of prattling around with different bits and bobs. But realising it's not that difficult. You just got to practice and get good at it. So, so I'm just going to show you a demonstration of how not to do it.
Where's your welding apron?
Oh yeah, put your welding apron on, mate. And,
Behind you.
I'm not putting that on, mate.
Okay.
So then, obviously, we got some gloves. We got the mask. Didn't know whether this would actually work or it needed batteries, but basically it does work. You can see through it. Stick this on. I've got a massive size 5 mitre head compared to skinny peanut head who's videoing. And then put some gloves on. PPE, protected. And then it's literally a case of turn the gas on. Gas is on. Turn the power on. I'm missing something. Turn the power on.
Yeah, there we go, noise.
And it makes a little noise. And then
can I just have the other safety mask there, please, mate?
This comes with it, which looks like a fucking riot shield. We're probably not meant to swear on these, would we?
Oh no, I don't think YouTube would like it if you do. I can't see something wrong like that. Right, ready?
So basically,
mate, I don't think we're going to post this, are we?
We are going to post it.
No, we're not.
It's professional.
No.
So,
ready?
do you want to get the full?
Oh, but the thing is, I don't know if it's going to damage your phone if it's so bright.
Nah, it should be cool.
Yeah. Okay.
So then basically, I'm going to go with this. So basically, you want to get this. We found out about 1/4 of an inch from the thingy. You see the wire sticking out, but you want to get that about 1/4 of an inch from the weld, and essentially, just like soldering, just go round. But as you can see, we're still learning. But at the end of the day, it's just practice. That's what your mum said.
Yeah.
So here we go. Don't look, Tom.
Okay.
Totally missed.
Wow.
Right, let's try again on this side.
See what you mean about practicing?
Yeah, I've obviously not done much. Ready? I didn't actually hit that. Oh, that's professional.
That's even better, mate.
Oh, mate.
See, get there.
Flying. So basically, that is the Clarke MiG 160 TM. I mean, it's a good bit of kit. Light commercial. A bit better than domestic. We'll leave it there, shall we?
Yep.